Hey everybody and welcome to it. Today's video is going to be super educational and valuable, and all this information is given to you guys for free. If this video helps you guys in any way, it would be super nice if you can help me in return by hitting that like button and subscribe button. When I had purchased the MacBook, I had looked up the videos for customization and organization tips, and there weren't that many videos. So I thought to put every single thing I know into this video for customizing and organizing the MacBook. So here's the quick overview of the things which I'll be going over in this video, and I have also listed the time cards for you guys so you can jump around and see what you want to learn. So at number 1, I have desktop sticky notes and how you can customize those. Number 2, hot corners. At number 3, how to change your folder icons. At number 4, how I got this analog screensaver. At number 5, how to add tags to your folder. At number 6, accent colors. Number 7, how you can customize your Google. Number 8, how you can hide and show your dock automatically. So without any further ado, let's get started. So to go to sticky notes, go to the Launchpad. After you open the Launchpad, go to the Stickies app and click on New Note on the File section, and there you have the new note. You can resize it based on your needs. And then click on the color to change the color. I have picked here the purple color. You have a lot of options to pick the colors. Basically, I write on the stickies the things which I want to accomplish that day, or something which I want to be reminded of, and it's right in front of my eyes so I don't forget. You can also increase the size by clicking on Command plus, and that's going to increase the size of the font. And you also have other options like where you can underline the font, or you can change it to bold or change it to italic. You can also change the font by clicking on Show Font, and you have a lot of options in the font section. So that's it for sticky notes. Second one is hot corners. So the hot corners are the most underrated feature of MacBook, and this is something where you can assign a certain tasks to the four corners of your MacBook, and this is how you can do it. So go to System Preferences and click on Desktop and Screensaver, and click on Screensaver. On the bottom side you can see hot corners. Click on this. There are four corners where you can assign a certain task such as mission control, put display to sleep, or launchpad, or notification center, start screensaver. You can choose from any action you want. Example, I have on the left side, when I click on the left corner, I have a launchpad, and on the right side I have a notification center. So yeah guys, let me know in the comment section below what you have configured as your hot corner, and guys, this is definitely a game changer. Number 3, we have how to change folder icons, and this is really my favorite. So the star things which you see, those are the icons which I have changed with, and I'm gonna show you how to download those and how to change the folder icons. So let's jump right into it. So to download the star icon, go to google.com and type white star PNG, which is gonna give you the transparent background, and choose the star icon which you like. Here I have chosen star, but technically you can just choose any icon you like, and download that PNG image onto your computer. Once you have that image downloaded onto your computer, go ahead and open that image and click Ctrl+C. So you have that image copied, and now go to the folder icon and click on Get Info, and click on that folder icon and click Ctrl+V, and there you have the customizable folder icon. At number 4, I have this adorable analog screensaver and how I downloaded it. To download the analog clock, go to /screensaver, but don't really worry about the big link. I will definitely post it in the description box below, so go check out the description box below, and once you go on that link, scroll down and click on download on the Feclo, and it will download the file. And once you have the file downloaded, open the downloaded file and click on that saver, double tap on it, and it's gonna run, and it's gonna take you to the analog clock, and it will automatically save it. And then once you have it, you can click on that, and that's the preview of the Figlo, and then just set your screensaver as that, and there you have the analog clock as screensaver. Number 5, we have how to add tags, and I feel like it's really underrated and a lot of people don't know, and it was definitely a game changer for me personally. So here's how you can do it. To add tag, right click on the folder icon and add tags of the colors which you would like to add, and based on the priority of the folder or the task, you can definitely assign tasks. This has been a game changer for me, so I would highly recommend you guys use it, and based on the priority you can assign the colors and different tags to the folders. So at number 6, we have accent colors. If you don't know, I highly suggest you to watch it, and you can actually change your color theme to dark or white. You can change the highlights of the text to different colors, and let me show how I did that. So to change the accent color, navigate to System Preferences and then click on General. Now here you have appearance as light and dark. So if you click on light, this is how it shows, and if you click on dark, you have a dark theme. I really like dark theme, and then you can change the accent color where you can see arrows turning to different colors. I have it on purple and it's changed to purple. Now highlight color, just notice this colors when I highlight on this folder, it changed to red. And suppose I change it to yellow for another example, now it's changed to yellow. I'm gonna keep it to pink because my laptop color theme is pink, purple and pastel colors. So yeah, play around with all this option and choose whatever you really want your laptop color theme to be. Hopefully this accent color helped you guys. At number 7, I have how to customize Google, and this is how you can do it. Click on the new tab on Google and this will open this page. Click on that pencil icon, and you can also upload an image from the device. Here I'm gonna select one of the picture which I like from my computer. So this is what I have chosen. However, if you want to choose the default picture which Google offers on city landscapes, like I'm gonna choose the cityscape picture which I really like. So yeah, you can definitely set this image on from your personal computer or from the defaulted images which Google offers. To customize your dock, go to System Preferences and click on Dock. Here you can position the dock on left, bottom, right, and then to hide and show the dock, check that option on automatically hide and show the dock, which will automatically hide your dock whenever you're not using it. And I find this trick really helpful because it makes my system look decluttered and organized, and you can change the size to whatever you guys like. Yeah, so hope this helps. To create a custom screensaver like this, go to google.com and type unsplash.com. This is a free website where you can download the images. Here I'm downloading vintage camera and vintage cars, flowers, inspirational quotes. And you can basically download anything you want from this website, and just remember this is a no copyright free website. Once you have all the images, go to again google.com and get the custom dimension for the MacBook Pro. My MacBook Pro is 15 inch, so I've gotten a custom dimension. Next, I am going to canva.com. This is a free website to create a custom design for screensaver, thumbnail, whatsoever. And here I have put the custom dimension for the MacBook, and next we'll upload the image whatever we have downloaded from unsplash.com, and it will be uploaded and imported here. Once you have all the images, you can drag it here or double click it, and then I'm just gonna create a collage like how I'm doing it here. So this is how I'm creating a collage screensaver with different inspirational quotes and fashion, travel, and something which you can see every day and be motivated from.